Hi everybody. Today I'm doing a full face of makeup using Merit makeup. Merit is a clean, cruelty-free, vegan brand of makeup that is woman-owned, and it's available at Sephora as well as on the Merit website. I'll leave a link in the description to save you some money off of their products at the Merit website. So they contacted me and asked me if I would like to try a full face of makeup, and I said yes. So I was able to go to their website and select the colors and shades that I was most interested in for me. That was nice. But at the time, they had sold out of the highlighter, so I don't have the highlighter. But I have everything else in here. Okay, in this box it says, less is more. Okay, we'll see. And they sent a booklet along with this beautiful model on it. A little bit of information about the products and their company. They're all about minimalist beauty. Like letting your own natural beauty shine through, which is nice. So in the box, all the products came in this bag. This is really cute. I've never gotten a bag like this before. In a beauty box or anything. And all the products are fit down in there nicely. This is really cute. Alright, so I'll show you everything and then we'll get started putting it on my face. First thing, this is the #1 brush, or brush #1. How it looks. This is for the foundation. It's nice. It's dense without being too dense. I think this will be good for applying foundation. Okay. And we have the blush balm. And I chose the shade Mood. There was another shade that was like a raspberry type color, but they had sold out of that one, so I chose Mood. See how this looks on me. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I like that. Spread it out a little bit. There it is. Okay, that's a nice cream blush. And I believe I don't have this color. This is called the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. This is like the foundation or the tinted moisturizer type product. And for this one, I wasn't sure which color to choose. But looking at the models that they had on the website, I went with Sienna. Which looks like this. I hope it'll be a good match. I think so. Okay, we will find out. And then I got the Shade Stick Tinted Lip Oil. This one, I chose the shade Sangria. Let's see how that looks. It's this beautiful warm red color. I like warm reds. I like brick reds, orangey reds, those kind of reds. I think those reds complement my skin tone. That's pretty. Okay. And then I also received a Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. And the shade is called Perfect Black. Oh, I like the case. Square case. It looks really sleek and elegant. I like that. There's the wand right there. Okay. And then the final product is Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade for your brows. And the shade I chose is called Black Brown. I hope it's not too dark, but we'll see. I like this case too. It's really pretty. And there's the brush with the product on it. Okay, so I already have primer on my face. So I'm going to start with the Minimalist Sienna shade. All right. Got my mirror here. Ready to go. It's very soft and creamy. I like that. Looks like I might have picked a good shade. Yeah, that works. Oh. Okay, it is very much your skin but better type of look. See? This is with and without. Okay. This looks like the right shade for me. And the finish is nice too. Very, very natural looking. All right, and put some on the other side. It's a light coverage, but it makes my face look better. As far as but it still just looks like skin. I like that. It doesn't mask my flaws, but it makes them less noticeable. Okay. Put some under my eye. Since I don't have a concealer from them, I'll just add a little more under my eye. Okay. I like this a lot. There's no smell to it. And it just looks natural and pretty. All right. It blended well with the brush. I can't see it at all. Just looks like I have really nice skin. That's what we all want, right? Okay. All right, and then next I'll use the blush. It's a cream blush, so I'll just put some on like this. Let's move it out. Okay. I like the blush. There's no smell to the blush either. All right. Oh, that's pretty. Again, very natural looking. Just a natural little flush. Okay. I really like Merit makeup so far. The two things I've tried, I really like. Okay, now on to the brows. I need my magnified mirror for this. Okay, there's the brow product. And without the brow product. like it. It's not too much. It's really natural looking. Okay, let me do the other side. There's a slight smell to this, kind of like, reminds me of lanolin, but not too strong. Just slightly. Okay. Again, nice and natural. Now I'll try the mascara. You know, a lot of times I'll put on false lashes. But for a nice, natural, everyday look, mascara is perfect. Let's test out the formula. Smells like any other mascara. It really is lengthening. Because my lashes are so small, I can barely see them most of the time. But this is really bringing them out. Okay, this is one coat. With and without. I'll try another coat now. See if it will really bring them out even more. Oh yeah. Second coat works great. Wow. Okay, this is with two coats. And none. Okay. I like this a lot. Finish up the other eye. It's not clumpy or goopy or anything. It's very nice. Okay. Now, let's try out this beautiful lip color. Okay, this is Sangria. All right. It feels really smooth and moisturizing. Like a lightweight balm. Not a really thick balm, but like a lightweight one that just feels really good on your lips. That's what this feels like. I don't notice any smell. Let me see. No smell at all. Okay. My opinion of Merit makeup is that I really like it a lot. It's very pretty and natural looking, just like they said. They said it would give you a really nice, natural looking beauty, and it does. This is great for every day, going to work, going to school, or just wanting to look your best wherever you are without really looking made up. My skin looks really good. The blush is just a nice natural flush. The mascara really enhanced my lashes. And the lipstick is really pretty and feels great. The brush did a good job too. So this is a winner. The lippy is a winner. The brush. The brow product. It's not coming off. And it doesn't feel stiff or sticky either. So that's good. I don't like stiff, sticky eyebrows. The blush is beautiful. And the mascara does what you want a really nice mascara to do. So I'm very happy that Merit sent me their full face of makeup products to try out for you guys. And if you're interested in trying it out for yourself, you can check Sephora or you can use my affiliate link and save you some money. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.